Good morning, and guys. How are you guys doing this morning? I hope you guys had a very good night. Good morning, SS. Oh, you're not trading today? You're very busy at work? This week? That's fine. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So, guys, we have some news this morning. We have CAD news coming up in about 27 minutes. Also, we have USD news as well at 7:30, and then we have FOMC this afternoon coming up at 1 p.m. Hopefully, we can catch some. We can catch at least 20 pips or more with some USD pairs, maybe GBP USD or Euro USD before FOMC this morning. So we're gonna be watching out for those deals this morning, guys. So you guys are hopping on. Let me know where you guys are watching me from this morning, guys. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second here. As you guys are hopping on, do me a huge favor and keep smashing that like button, guys. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys, this morning. Yeah, so we're gonna be looking at GBP USD. Hopefully, we can get to take GBP USD this morning before FOMC this afternoon. So we're gonna be taking hopefully a buy or a sell trade today. So we can see we have this support that became resistance here on the H1 type frame, and we have this support here. So we're gonna have buys above resistance closure here at 1.3948, and sells below support closure here at 1.29980 or something, or right below this zone here, guys. So I'm going to delete all this real quick, all these drawings. Yeah, so good morning, Prince Caleb. How are you doing this morning? Good morning, guys. Do me a huge favor and keep smashing that like button. So that's what we're looking at. We'll be looking at for GBP USD. Let's take a look at EURJPY. Oh wow. Okay, looking at this on the H1, EURJPY just broke the previous resistance, and it broke this previous resistance as well. So now we only looking at potential buys here. which is already it already broke this resistance here. So we're gonna see if we can still get in here on the lower time frame. But before we go to the lower time frame, I'm gonna just have this test here. Alright, so we're gonna go to the 15-minute time frame here. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing here with EURJPY, so here with EURJPY, hopefully we're gonna see if we get a pullback here. If we get a pullback down here, then we can get in on this bar here after the retest here, guys, on EURJPY. And if not, if we get in above this zone here, stop loss is just going to be way too big, but we can have it right below this low that price created, or right below this low here, either one. But we'll see if we're gonna get a pullback right back to this a retest right back to this previous resistance. It already pulled back down here, created a support here. Hopefully we can get another retest, and then we can just get in off of the retest, guys. So that's that for EURJPY here. Let's take a look at this on the H4 time frame. So that's what I'm looking at for EURJPY right now, guys. So let's move to the next potential pair that we might be trading this morning. So let's take a look at GBP-JPY. Okay, GBP-JPY just broke the resistance. But this 7th news at 7:30 might affect the way the market moves this morning. So, and that's in about 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens here. That's good. That's good, Caleb. So I was actually looking at gold last night before I went to sleep, and I said to myself, if gold drops below 1908, I'm probably not gonna take sales until, because I don't like this zone here. I don't like this zone here to the left. Looking at this on the H4, this zone here to the left is just too messy for me. I don't like it. I don't feel confident. Now, if we get buys now, that I'm definitely gonna take. And if it breaks above 1924, 1923 area, then I'm gonna take buys on gold. But for sales, I'm probably not gonna take. So if it does break above, if gold breaks above 1924, 1930, 1935 zone, I'm gonna take buys, because those zones became resistance. As you can see here, we got support here to the left, which was the previous resistance. The same thing here, resistance and previous resistance here as well. So those become potential buy entry zones here to the right, looking at it on the H4 time frame here. So that's what I'm looking for on gold. Now, except if I see a clean candle entry on the lower time frame, maybe like on the 30-minute or on the 15-minute, then I might take sales. Aside from that, I don't think I'm gonna trade gold if we see gold dropping below 1908. Alright guys, that's just me. Don't judge me. Everybody has their own, opinion, and everybody has their own way of trading. So that's just me, guys. But we'll see what happens. Okay, looking here at Euro USD. If we switch this to the H1, so after the news at 7:30, if gold refuses to break this, because Euro USD has been refusing to break this resistance here, and I don't think it's gonna break above this resistance, except if the news might actually push Euro USD above. So, but we'll see what happens. But right now, I'm actually looking at taking sales. So, I actually might be taking sales here today, and I might take sales if gold gets below. If gold should come below 1.09825, I'm definitely going to take the sell. I'm definitely gonna take the sell, guys. Possibly back down, all the way back down here to the previous support. Hopefully it doesn't reject again. Hopefully it doesn't reject again, because you can see resistance. You can see that previous resistance here became support here, and obviously we have another support down here. So that's what I'm looking at with Euro USD. So we'll see what happens with these pairs this morning, guys. So all we got to do now is just wait. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Yep, that's all we got to do. We just got to patiently wait right now. Can you guys hear me clearly? Let me know in the chat, guys. Can you guys hear me clearly? As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I really appreciate that. Keep smashing that like button for me so YouTube can, keep pushing this video. Alright, GBP JPY like is gonna give us that retest. That will really be nice. All right. Hey, Chris, how you doing, Chris? Okay, you can hear me clearly? All right, that's good to know. That's good to know. Let's take a look at the retail sentiment this morning. Okay, Euro USD right now is kind of 50-50. Okay, GBP USD, we have retail traders is actually buying this when it's actually still on a downtrend. GBP JPY, whoa, more sellers than buyers, even though it broke resistance. Euro JPY, wow, more sellers than buyers, even though this thing broke resistance as well, and is actually an uptrend. Like, why do you, I don't know, why do, apparently it's a lot of traders here, like, just always going against the trend. I just don't get it and freaking understand it. Yeah, that's why a lot of them that's why a lot of them are not freaking profitable consistently, because you're going against the trend. Well, whatever. It is whatever. Okay. Like, look, you're a JPY, like, it's clearly in an uptrend. Even here on the H4, even though it hasn't closed above resistance, that's why we see all those pullback red candles on the lower time frame. Now by the time we have a retest, this candle would have broke this H4 resistance here. It already broke it on the H1, and you freaking taking a sell. And this clearly an uptrend. It's not like it's a rejection. And even if it is, just because the price reject resistance doesn't mean price is going to drop. You still got to wait for more closure. Sometimes it could go, it could go your way, just like we have this candle here, this 4-hour candle here, but most of the time it doesn't. Except if you have more confirmations on the lower time frame, then you can take trades like that. Or except if it's a supply zone or stuff like that. But even with that, this one here, you can see that we're clearly in a downtrend. So it's okay for you to have taken this sell here, because we in a downtrend, but not when we're in an uptrend. Anyways, let's go back to doing what we're doing. Okay, USD JPY. Oh, Ted Glow, I said hi as well. Hopefully the news doesn't affect USD in a negative way. And if it does, we're here. We'll be ready for whatever it does. Yep, you're right. Traders like going against the trend. You want me to look at USD JPY? You're in for a buy. I won't have taken any USD pairs because the news is coming up in 3 minutes. Except, when did you take your buy? Where's your entry? Because this was the previous resistance down here, and now we have this resistance here, right at 118,449 zone. So if I were you, I would have waited for price to break 118,449, 118,450 zone before I get in a buy, because we could actually see USD JPY dropping, and for that to happen, you can take sales below 118,051, because you cannot say price is actually going to drop right now, because if we go to the H4, this thing has been trending forever. Let's just go to the H1. Look at that. This thing has been trending forever. Just from this previous low, just look at this freaking uptrend. Now we have this uptrend here, and then price created another trend right over here. As you guys can see right there, another trend. Now here in the H1, it looks like it broke it, but it's not enough guarantee for you to think price is going to drop. But if price breaks below 118 070, 118 050 zone right there, then you can take your sell, because price already broke this trend line here. But for now, we're still in a buy. Forget about this trend line. Price is still in an uptrend. So looking for buys is good. It's just not the right time to get in for buys. That's it. I hope that helped you, Chris. I hope that helped you. Um, 118,354. Let me go back to USD JPY. 118,354. So you got in somewhere here. Got in somewhere here. If you did, now you're in a drawdown. You got in right before you got to the previous resistance here on the left, but you're about to be back in profit again. Yeah, I mean, but I would suggest, since your entry is right here, somewhere here, just have your stop loss. If you had your stop loss right below this previous low here, you would have been stopped out. But since you're still in this trade and price is pulling back up, just have your stop loss right here at 118, 186. How many pip is that? Because I don't know how big your account is. Okay, not bad. You're gonna have about 22 pips stop loss at least. So just put your stop loss at 118, 128 and let it run. Or if you want to put it right below this previous resistance, then you'll be looking at 30 pips stop loss. That's my own opinion. I mean, hopefully this trade goes your way, man. But we're still in a buy. We're not in a downtrend. So hopefully we see a buy, buy continuation here. Oh, it's past 7:30. Oh, okay. Nothing happened with this news. Okay, Euro JPY is not doing anything yet. All right. Good morning, Mr. Grindtime. Alright, nothing happened with this news here. I feel like I'm gonna get a retest here on GBP JPY. I'll let you know when I take this GBP JPY buys, guys. I took the buys. Oh. I took buys on GBP JPY, guys. I'm actually still on USD JPY myself. I'm still on USD JPY from last night, actually. No, not last night, yesterday morning. But I was only able to get like 25 pips yesterday. So I'm in a risk-free trade on USD JPY. Well, let's see what let's see what GBP JPY is gonna do here. All right. Well, I took the buys on GBP JPY. 20 pips is right here, but I'm anticipating, price is gonna even close above this next resistance zone here. So I'm gonna put it up here for now. Put it up here, and we'll see what happens. Now put it back up here. This is about 65 pips in total for GBP JPY. If it gives us what we're looking for. Last week GBP JPY actually took one loss. The only time, was it a loss? Yeah, I think GBP JPY was a loss last week. The only time I traded it the whole of last week was a loss. Hopefully that does not happen this week. You should be able to hear me now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me another USB for my Blue Yeti mic here. Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? You should be able to hear me now, guys. All right, cool. All right. All right, cool. Come on, GJ, just quit playing around. Was hoping to have a better entry and have my stops below this zone, below this previous low here, but we'll see what happens. So, like I said, if Euro USD decides to close below 1.098021, we're gonna take a sell. We're gonna take a sell. And potential target. Well, I mean, one of the potential targets is going to be down here before we get to 1.09000. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. Before the FOMC news, that news at 1 p.m. today, that's definitely going to move the market. That's definitely, I mean, I won't say definitely, but at least 80 to 90% chance that it's going to, move the market. Come on, GJ. You know you're my baby, but you treated me bad last week, so don't do it to me again this week, GJ. Do not do it to me again this week. Come on, GJ. Come on, baby. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Yeah, Caleb. GJ must not do me wrong this week. Even though I only traded GJ once, just one time last week, I guess GJ didn't like me for doing that last week. So, I And I mean, GJ knows he has to do me good this week. Yeah, I see that. I know KJPY is going up. Yeah. Euro JPY is also gonna go up as well. It's just tripping right now. Now it came back and we tested this same zone twice. So we have kind of like a double bottom and a double top right now. Double bottom and a double top right now. So where is price gonna go? Where's price gonna go? Double top, double bottom, kind of. If this candle closes bullish, hopefully we can see EJ. Hopefully we can see EJ continuing this bullish momentum here. But I don't know if I'm gonna trade EJ today. Probably it's gonna be GJ and Evo USD. But we'll see. I'm only looking to take 2 trades. And if the market gives me just one, and then that's all I'm going to do today. Yesterday it was 2 trades, which was I traded USD JPY and Euro USD. Got stopped out of Euro USD for a sell after banking 65 pips. Yesterday, USD JPY decided to only give me 25 pips. I'm not mad at that because I still have a runner running on USD JPY. My stop loss is already moved, so whatever happens, I can't lose. I can only make more money. You feel me? Let's go, Chris. Price going to 154.997 on GJ. $154.997. Oh damn, you ain't playing. Yeah, you know I have that. I have a zone up here too. I have my zone up here too. I'm anticipating that, eventually price should get to 154, 146. So, but for now, even though we have, since it's GJ, maybe we'll have 25 pips, but, once we get to 20 pips, we're just gonna take partials, and you know how we do it. You know how we do it, guys. You move stops to break even from there, and we leave a runner. We leave the rest running. But if anything, if GG starts really moving and trending, yeah, we can see this thing, even breaking this previous, resistance here, and just, continue pushing up. Just push up, man, and take out all those sellers. Right now, the sellers are like, okay, I'll probably still stay in this. Yep, that's what we do here. We trail stops. We leave it runner all the time. And we're not doing bad this month. So far I finished the trading plan for this spreadsheet that I've been working on. This is a $50 spreadsheet to take to over 100K. And it's going to take 46 trading days. Now, is it going to take exactly 46? Probably not, because, it would be insane to take 46 trades and not lose any. That would be so freaking impressive. So freaking impressive. Take 46 trades and not lose any. That would be really impressive. But, even if you lose, however long it takes you, even if it takes you 60 days, 60 days is just 2 months. That's 2 months to, potentially grow a 50K account to 106K. Following this spreadsheet, I'm going to talk about this in my new video that I'm going to upload on Saturday. So, I'm going to talk about this spreadsheet, and I will show you guys, strategy you can use. And, you start with 50K. Even if you grow this thing to, by the end of 1 week, you're looking at 102. You have $122. Now, by the end of your first week, just withdraw your initial deposit, which is $50, and then just start again. And then just simply start again. You know what I mean? And I will talk more about this in my during the next when I upload my next video this weekend. So, hopefully this candle flips bullish. If this candle flips bullish, man, it's on, baby. If this candle flips bullish, it's on, baby. Can you guys still hear me? Because I don't know what's going on with my freaking mic. I think it's really tripping. My USB cable here. Actually, I have another USB cable I can use for this. I just can't find it. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you guys. So YouTube can keep pushing this video. Alright, nice. What's Evo USD doing right now? Okay. Yeah. That's why I didn't take this sell, because there was a support that was formed here on the left, then on the right. So decided to wait for it to break that. If it breaks that, man, Price is coming down, baby, based on the H1 time frame, including the H4 time frame. So USD JPY is not ready to move. Euro JPY might be ready to move. Alright, all we gotta do here is to keep waiting, guys. Just keep waiting. Come on, GJ. Give me that flip. Give me that flip, baby. Give me that flip, GJ. Give me that flip. Give me that bullish flip. Yeah, like I said in the beginning of the stream with gold, if gold drops, I don't think I'm gonna take it. Even if it buys, I don't think I'm gonna trade gold. I don't think I'm gonna trade gold at all until, let me go to the H4 here. I mean, we're still in a downtrend, but I like it much more better below 1890 and even below 1878 area. That's just me. Don't judge me. In fact, judge me if you want to. You're entitled to your own opinion. This is me. This is how I trade. If you don't like it, then you just don't like it. But we're in a range now. But if you feel like you want to take sales on gold, then take these sales below 1909 area, 1910 area, because we have a resistance here that became a support. So that's what I'm gonna tell you. Or even below this right here, because this was a rejection candle. This was a rejection candle here. So we're looking at about around 1907 area. So that's just me. Man, come on, man. This candle flipped bullish. Now it flipped bearish again. Just consolidating, just ranging now. It's crazy how sometimes it could even take a while to even get 20 pips with pairs like GJ, all these GBP pairs that are volatile pairs that moves real good. It all just depends on the market. But hopefully we'll see some uh, great momentum here. When the New York Stock Exchange opens in the next uh, 23 minutes, but I'm not worried because we're clearly in an uptrend. Uh, Retail sentiment is also in our favor as well. A lot of people are selling this thing, so banks are gonna be like, okay, retail traders, okay, you wanna sell? Okay, we're gonna keep buying. So, see, Euro USD as well, is a sell right now, like I said earlier, until it breaks that resistance. So we just gotta, keep waiting here until we get our 20 pips, and hopefully we get more than 20 pips during this live stream today. You said CJ flipped bearish. Yeah, you can see GG also flipped bearish here, but this candle closes in the next 4 minutes. It actually opened bearish, then flipped bullish, now it flipped bearish again. Usually, if not for this live stream, usually when I trade, I don't sit and look at my chart like this. I just take my position, set my TP, set my stop loss, and I go on about my day. I don't like doing this, what I'm doing right now, looking at what's going on. But when you're live streaming, live trading like this is what you got to do. So this candle closes in the next 2 minutes. Hopefully the next candle is going to open bullish, or even if it opens bearish, and hopefully it flips bullish, and we'll start seeing bullish momentum. I know this consolidation is kind of doing right now. GJ. Yep, it flipped bearish. Probably coming down to retest this zone here, which I already anticipated this retest that is trying to do now. Now if it does break below this zone here, now that if that happens, that's one thing that I'm definitely not anticipating. And also the previous 1 hour candle, the fact that it was a bearish candle and it flipped bullish, that was an indication to get in a buy right off this flip. But you know, it didn't continue bullish here, so we're probably just saying a retest back to 154,690 or 154,630. So between those zones there, and we might not see that because this bearish candle here on the H1 can still flip bullish, because this 1 hour candle just opened about 19-20 minutes ago. So we can still flip bullish. All right. Got JPY flipped bullish. What flipped bullish? This GBP USD the previous 15-minute bullish candle gave a fake out, but you know not to get in because it has no candle at the bottom. I mean, no wick at the bottom, and it has no wick at the top either. So GBP USD might continue its bearish continuation here as well. Yeah, we could see that happening. See that happening with GBP USD as well, because the overall trend is still a downtrend on GBP USD. Same thing with Euro USD. Yeah, I would love to be in profit with GBP JPY before this setup happens with Euro USD. Hopefully that's what's gonna happen. But right now we're in a drawdown. Oh yeah, flipped bearish earlier, but then flipped bullish earlier, then flipped bearish. The sellers are still gaining momentum right now because the banks are not really in the market yet, and they're gonna get in the market in the next 7 minutes here. So, and they definitely would have enough volume to push this thing up. Now, when is that going to happen? I don't know. It feels like a lot of traders or more traders actually like trading London session than New York session. I don't know, I might be wrong. I'll be back, guys. Need some coffee this morning. Alright, looks like GJ is gonna close bearish here. Alright, looks like GJ is gonna close bearish here. Well, let's see if this bearish candle is gonna flip bullish. Oh, you like trading indices on the London session? No, I prefer it on New York session. Oh man, EJ, GJ, EJ, GJ. Basically, all JPY pairs flipped bearish here. EJ flip bearish. CJ the same thing, but still an uptrend. UJ the same thing, just ranging. UJ is in a range right now. New York Stock Exchange just opened, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see what the market movers decides to do. Man, I swear, GG better not freaking play me again this week. Since I started streaming this month, it's like I've been taking, like I think it was one week we had we didn't lose, and then the last 3 weeks we've had one loss each. I need another week, another like 100% winning week. Hopefully we're gonna get another 100 winning 100% winning week this week, hopefully, because so far we've not lost any trades. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Just keep pushing up, man. You know you want to keep buying. And you yourself, you know that's what you're supposed to be doing right now. Buying. Trending up, continuing your uptrend, not this BS consolidation you're trying to do right now. Just keep pushing up, continue your uptrend, and just quit playing around, man. I completely agree, Caleb. I completely agree. I just would love to see us get at least 20 pips at least before I get off this live stream. One of the news events I don't like trading is this right here, FOMC. I don't like it at all. FOMC, nah. And it's for USD pairs. So just, watch out for USD pairs at that time. GBP USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, AUD USD, any USD pairs. Come on, man. This candle is trying to flip bearish. Oh, wow. What's going on with GBP CAD, Troy? Yeah, Jacqueline. I'm in a buy with GBP JPY. You're actually not late because we're still kind of in a range here. You're not late. I mean GBBJPY GJ buys. What's going on with GBP CAD, Troy? How you look for another mistress? So you love trading GBP CAD. Come on, GJ, let's go. Let's go, GJ. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you guys. Keep smashing that like button so YouTube algorithm can keep, pushing this live stream. It'll be nice to see this candle close bullish. It closes in the next 4 minutes. GBCAD is your side piece. Yeah, EJ is my side piece, but EJ has actually been paying me better than GJ this month. Actually, this month so far I've only taken GJ once and freaking messed me up. EJ, nope, EJ treated me good. EJ, like, man, my side piece treated me good so far this month. So, today, GJ, which is my main piece, has to treat me right today. Let's go, GJ. The last time I checked GBP CAD, it was on a downtrend. Actually, let me see. Let me see if GBP CAD is actually going to go your way. But without me looking, if we look at CJ here, CAD JPY, is in an uptrend, so GBP CAD, I'm actually going to say should be falling. GBP CAD should be falling. Come on, let's go, GJ. Let's go, let's get it. So let's go to GBP CAD. Just because of Troy. Just because of Troy here. See, look, this is what I be telling you guys. Why would you take a buy? Why? I'm still on the 15 minute. I've not even been to the freaking higher time frame here. But even if I stay here on the 15, price created this resistance here, and we even have this resistance here. So already for me, I'll be looking without me going to the higher time frame now, I'll be looking for a retest here for a sell continuation, and I'll be looking for my buys right here. You get what I mean? So I'm only looking for sells. I'm not looking for buys. As long as, because GCAD is ranging right now, because CAD, the Canadian dollar, is stronger. You can see that on CJ. You can see that on CJ here. The Canadian dollar is stronger. So that's why GBP CAD is struggling right now. It's ranging. And if GBP CAD decides not to retest this zone, because I'll be looking for a sell retest and a sell continuation at this zone here, then I'll be looking to take sells below this zone. It's just that simple. And all this is without me even going to the higher time frame. If I go to the higher time frame now, it's even worse. We clearly still in a downtrend. Buys has to be above 1.66449. A retest is going to be here 66425 if price decides to do that, and if not, then sells below 1.65977. There is no buys here, no buys at all, not at the moment. 4 hours even worse. We're in a downtrend, but people trade differently, so I'm gonna go out of GBP CAD now because I don't trade it. So come on GJ, just stop ranging and just keep pushing up. You were trying to catch the retracement. But it was in a range though. Now you're in a range. Because right now, based on what I just showed you guys, it's not clear what GBP CAD is going to do. Can I explain GJ buys? Who said that? WFX. Okay, the reason why I got in buys, if we go to the H1 here, price, we had support, became resistance here to the right, and price broke and closed above it on the H1, and then this 1 hour candle flipped bullish, and then we got in on the 15-minute time frame. It's simple as that. That's why we got in on the H1 time, on the lower time frame, and the overall trend is also a buy. Even if you go to the H4, H1 overall trend is a buy, so there's no point looking for sales. It's only buys, and we took a buy position. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. I hope that explanation helped you. If you're new here, some of you might not like how I trade, but it is what it is. Everybody has their own style of trading. Even though I'm scalping, I don't believe in having tight stop loss of 10, 15, 20 pips. And when it comes to pairs like GJ, because they're very volatile pairs, when I trade them, even though I'm scalping, my stop loss is between 30 and 40 pips. You can say whatever you want to say. This is how I trade, and that's me. So my stop loss for this is at 154.474. Now I don't know when you got in, so I would suggest if you get it in right now, just have your stop loss between 30 and 40 pips. When I trade GJ, depending on my entry, that's usually my stop loss between 30 and 40 pips. Because even though I'm scalping, I'm not just looking to only get 10, 20 pips and then freaking get out the market. No, that's not what I'm doing, and that's not what we do over here. What we do over here is our target is to get 20 pips. Once we get 20 pips, whatever pair we're trading, our target is to get 20 pips. Once we get 20 pips, we move our stop loss to break even, and we leave a runner. And leaving a runner definitely absolutely works. That's why you see just this month alone we're almost at 1,000 pips, and we just capping. It's not like we're trading on a higher time frame or we swing trading. We're scalping, and we do that by taking 1 to 2 trades a day. Majority of the trades we take here on live stream is actually 1 trade a day. So GJ is just ranging here right now. Your SL is 434. Okay, that's fine. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. If you're new here to this live stream, welcome to the family. Thank you guys for hopping on. I appreciate you guys. Alright guys, I'll be back again. Sorry for the delay, guys, but I'm back. Oh, this GJ candle, 15-minute candle, flipped bearish again. Alright, the sellers are still gaining the momentum here. But I still believe in these GJ buys. We are gonna make some money this FOMC day though. We're not gonna lose. UJ is going up, USD JPY. Yeah, JPY is actually weak. It's not strong at the moment. Last 100 ain't playing. Oh yeah, UJ is continuing this bullish momentum here. I mean, it only makes sense. Yeah, CJ is playing at the moment. What's gold doing? Just looking for. Yeah, gold is doing nothing. Gold is not doing nothing. Just look at EJ. EJ and GJ is really playing here. But both pairs are actually still in an uptrend. EJ here on the 15-minute time frame rejected this resistance, created a support. We have a double bottom and a double top. You know, if you're getting a buy right now on EJ, you're not gonna be wrong. Two options here. You can get in a buy on EJ right now, or you can wait for price to break above these highs that it created. You know, you still be able to get you at least, you know, definitely 20 pips. But I'm gonna stick with GJ today because I don't like taking two JPY pairs. I'll take one JPY pair and another pair. If I'm gonna take another pair, Euro USD, and it was looking like, cause you know, it's looking like it's gonna drop. Refused to break resistance. Support became support and the lead became resistance, and it's just been rejecting this resistance zone. It just doesn't want to break it. You know, a lot of traders are already in this sell right now, but we just decided to wait for price to break below this to break and close below this support here. You know, just waiting for more confirmations, and we're gonna take a sell. Hopefully we can take a sell before I end this live stream, and if not, if I end this live stream and Euro USD is still consolidating, I'm not trading USD pair today. Like I said, FOMC, I don't like trading USD pairs at all. I would trade it if it trends before the news, just to catch at least 20 pips. But if it doesn't trend, then I just completely stay out of it. And that's why I'm completely out of it right now, because it's not trending. So that's that for EVO USD. Come on, GJ. Now you flipped bullish. Now just, keep going up, man. Come on, GJ. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you. Let's go. Look at that nice flip. Let's go, man. Let's go, GJ. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get it. This is a nice flip. This candle is a nice flip, so I hope it closes bullish. Let's go, GJ. Come on. Man, I love this flip. I love this bullish flip. It closes in 1 minute. Come on, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's get it. Can you guys type "Let's go, GJ" in the chat? Let's go, GJ, in the chat. Type it. Let's go, GJ, in the chat, guys. Look at this freaking candle. Let's go. Bullish, bullish. You cannot be bearish now. It has to be bullish, because now you just engulf past this high. So you get this next candle has to be bullish. It has to be bullish, man. Absolutely has to be bullish. Oh, man. Wow. Come on, GJ. You got this. Let's go, GJ. How many pips are we at now? We have 15 pips. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. If you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. Let's go, GJ. Let's go, GJ. Give us that 20 pips. Come on, GJ. GCAT is moving. Is moving your direction. Okay, CJ is still kind of tripping here. Come on, GJ, you cannot drop now. You gotta keep going up. Look at this nice 1 hour flip. This nice 1 hour candle flip here as well. Let's go, GJ. Almost at 20 pips, man. Let's go, GJ. You're almost at 20 pips, man. Oh man, come on, GJ. Oh shit. What? 20 pips smash, guys. $20 pips has been smashed. Can I see a W in the chat, guys? 20 pips has been smashed. Can I see some W's in the chat? Let me see some W's in the chat. Stop loss has been moved to break even. Stop loss moved to break even. Now let's see what we have. Let's see what GJ is gonna do now. Let's go, GJ. If this candle closes bullish and the next candle opens bullish as well, man, it's on. I might close my position here on my small account. Let's go, GJ. Man, so I'm using Anchor Trade for my small account, and right now the spread on GJ when I got in is just freaking insane. I might have to switch my small account back to Osprey FX. Oh, I'm just gonna keep it. It doesn't matter. And only 4 people type W in the chat. I need to see more W's, guys. Come on. Oh, I need to see more W's, guys. Yeah, there we go. More W's. Now we're in a risk-free trade. I hope you guys took partial profit. You just didn't move your stop loss. So just don't move your stop loss. Make sure you take partial profit as well. All we're doing now is leaving a runner to see, can we get 60 pips here before the end of this live stream? Do you guys think we can? Let me know what you guys think in the chat. You think we can get 60 pips in this live stream? Let's go, GJ. You broke the first high that you created. So let's go. You got to keep going now. You have to keep going now. USD is selling. Is going up. USD is selling then. But it hasn't broke this resistance here yet. So actually, I'm not going to trade any USD pairs today. Nope, I'm not doing it. I'm not trading any USD pairs today. I'm absolutely not doing it. Yeah, you can. I don't care. You can break all the highs you want. I don't care. I'm not taking it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Ooh, look at EJ. Look at freaking EJ. Just this one candle alone on EJ is freaking 30 pips, guys. One freaking candle, 30 pips. Huh. EJ and GG, man. I love trading those pairs. I just don't like to trade like JPY pairs like together. You know what I mean? No, just to protect my account and avoid losses. If I'm going to lose a JPY pair, it has to be one. I can't lose 2 JPY pairs. So I advise you guys, do the same. If you're gonna trade GBP USD, don't go ahead and trade GBP USD, then also trade AUD USD or EUR USD. Now, if you're gonna trade GBP USD, then trade GBP USD and then trade one JPY pair or another pair, not same USD pairs. Because if that trade does not go your way, then what happens? Then you just freaking have 2 losses when you could have potentially had 1 loss and possibly 1 win. You know what I mean? That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. If I'm going to trade GBP CAD, I'm not going to turn around and freaking trade AUD CAD. Or freaking JPY, stuff like that. Yeah, definitely, Kai. You should be because FOMC is a very high impact news. It usually spike the market. Good job for getting that 70 pips on NZD USD though. That's good. Honestly, to tell you the truth, guys, one pay a day like trading is freaking good enough. It's freaking good enough. When you get to a point when you get a big account like me, boy, you'll be surprised. Even if you have a small account, all you're doing is compounding your. That's really all what Forex is. Forex is all about compounding. It's all about growth. It's all about compounding, growing your account long term. It's not now, it's long term. It's like investing. If any of you guys here invested in crypto, did you invest in crypto for the short term or for the long term? No, you did it for the long term. Since Bitcoin started going down, dropping and ranging and consolidating, a lot of people getting scared selling their cryptos. I'm not selling mine. I'm holding on to mine. I'm not selling nada. I already got Forex, this right here, that's gonna make me my money daily. Why do I need to sell my crypto for what? Hopefully we don't get stopped out here. I always like to get more than 20 pips, even though my daily target is to get 20 pips. But I always like to get more. You know what I mean? So let me do some update here. Let me do some update here. Can you guys still hear me? You guys can still hear me, right? Let's go, GJ. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Come on, guys. Keep smashing that like button. All right, cool. Hey guys, what do you think? Should I use NZD and I'm 30 pips in loss? Should I exit or leave it run? All right. Hold on. Marwood, did I pronounce your name right? Thank you for hopping on. I think you knew. Thank you for hopping on. Welcome to the family. Let me take a look at Euro NZD. Actually, what I really like to do is I love to see you guys, if you want me to take a look at any pair, I actually like it better when you guys send it to the Discord and I can actually take a look at it, because you have to add, mark up your chart, before you get in a position. So I would like to see that. I can tell you, what you did wrong, and you show me your entry and stuff like that. But I'll do it just this one time. But from now on, if you want me to take a look at any pair, just send it to the Discord. The link is in the description, just in case you're new. Because now I'm gonna have to mark all this up and see. What did you said you got in a sell? So what's going on here? Looking at this on the H4, right now price is trying to retest this previous support that became resistance here. That's what price is trying to do, but the overall trend is still a sell. That's the overall trend. Euro NZD is another pair that I do not trade, but it's actually a very good pair. It's a very good pair. It's very volatile. It moves real good. We got this previous resistance here to the left. Now let's go to the 15-minute. I think you should still stay in this, because Euro NZD, this is another pair that when I used to trade this, because it's very volatile, my stop loss is between 30 and 40 pips, and that's what I recommend. So if you in 40 pip drawdown, then get out, or just set your stop loss to 40 pips, at least maximum 40 pips. Some people even use pairs like this and their stop loss will be like 50 pips. But the overall trend of the Euro NZD is a downtrend. Now, like I said, on the 4 hour, price is just trying to retest this previous support here, turn resistance here, and you can see that now here in the lower time frame, looks like that's what is going on right now. So stay in it. If you're comfortable with the 30 pip drawdown, stay in it. The overall trend is still a sell. It's not like, you got in a bad trade or something. The overall trend is a sell. Yeah, but for this sell continuation to really be confirmed, if price breaks below this support zone again, then the downtrend is completely confirmed. You have this trend line here as well, confirming this downtrend. So, and you can see price is rejecting this trend line here, looking at Euro NZD, as you guys can see here. So, and I really don't think price is going to break the trend line either, and I don't think it's going to break above 1.61914 either. So that's my analysis. Euro NZD is still a sell. Your entry might just be too early. That's what this is. So it's just retesting the previous support and resistance based on the higher time frame. All right, Marwood, I hope that helped you. Damn. All right, guys, we got stopped out of GJ. We got 20 pips and we're out. No, I didn't say 70 pips. Oh damn, your 70 pips, your stop loss is 70 pips and TP is 120 pips at 60.70. I mean, if that's what you've been using and it's been working for you, then stick to it. I always tell people, whatever strategy you've been using, and if it's been working for you, then stick to it. You only have to change your strategy if that strategy has not been working for you. So, all right, guys, GJ, we got 20 pips and we've got stopped out, break even. So, but the overall trend is still an uptrend. Yeah, EG. Oh, then look at this candle on EG too. So JPY pairs, they all just they're doing the same thing here. So guys, we had another winning day. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this live stream. Today was only a 20 pip trade, and that's always the target every day, anyways. So thank you guys for hopping on. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, 7 a.m. CST. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. I'm out. See you guys tomorrow.